यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जुनून सा दिल में जगाना होता है। पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बना आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना होता है। With these inspiring words, let's come to a life of a person who changed the meaning of mathematics with his historical discoveries, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Yes, a great mathematician of India, born on December 22, 1887 in Erode, India. His birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Shortly after his birth, his family moved to Kumbhakonam, where his father worked as clerk in a cloth shop. When Ramanujan was of 15, he obtained a mathematics book containing thousands of theorems which he verified and from which he developed his own ideas. At the end of high school, he won a scholarship to the government college in Kumbhakoran. However, he lost his scholarship because his devotion to mathematics caused him to let his other courses fall by the wayside. Yet, despite these setbacks, Ramanujan continued to make strides in his mathematical work and in 1911 published a 17-page paper on Bernoulli members in the Journal of the Indian Mathematical Society. In 1912, he was able to secure a low-level post as a shipping clerk with the Madras Port Trust. Around this time, he became aware of the work of British mathematician G.H. Hardy, a young genius with whom Ramanujan began a correspondence in 1913 and shared some of his work. When Hardy read the letter of Ramanujan, he got convinced by his brilliance and secured him both a research scholarship at the University of Madras as well as grant from Cambridge. Within his 5-year framework, Ramanujan published 20 papers of his own and more in collaboration with Hardy. He was honored by his Bachelor of Science degree for research from Cambridge in 1916 and became a member of Royal Society of London in 1918. They both led to various discoveries in number theory, theory of modular forms, and many more. Ramanujan devoted much of his falling energy to a new kind of function called Mach theta. Ramanujan in 1917 get contracted with tuberculosis. In 1919 he returned to India. After returning to India, he died of his illness on April 26, 1920 at the age of 32. A biography of Ramanujan titled The Man Who Knew Infinity was published in 1991. His story is such an inspirational for everyone. अंत में 2 पंक्तियाँ कहना चाहूँगी कि ज़िंदगी में इतनी शिद्दत से निभाओ अपना किरदार कि पर्दा गिरने के बाद भी तालियाँ बजती रहें।